Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing contaminants so abrasives cut consistently. Use a degreaser and a microfiber to wipe until no residue remains. Once clean, mask edges and nearby parts to avoid damage and strap on eye and hand protection. Start with 400 to 600 grit wet sanding. Keep the surface wet to prevent clogging and use long strokes in the grain direction so scratches are even. As you work, check progress frequently. If heavy scratches remain, step back to coarser grit briefly and re-establish a uniform finish. Once the 400-600 stage removes major defects, progress through 800, 1000 and then 1500 grit to erase deeper scratches and create a smooth base. Keep the surface lubricated with water so scratches are fine and uniform. After sanding, dry and apply a light polishing compound. Use a soft foam pad on a rotary or dual-action polisher at low RPMs so heat buildup is minimized. Make overlapping passes, check under angled light for swirl marks, and make sure to blend edges as you refine toward a mirror-like look. You complete the mirror finish with an ultrafine polish or jeweler's rouge applied gently. Use a clean, soft cloth or pad and make final low-pressure passes to bring out deep reflectivity. Once done, apply a thin polymer or quality wax to seal and reduce future tarnish and fingerprints. This preserves your work. If an area shows haze or micro scratches, stop, reclean the spot, use a mild abrasive polish to correct it. Then repeat the final polish. This targeted correction avoids reworking the whole piece.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.